Welcome to Kelsey's Cookbook, where every episode we're going to create a recipe together and add it to my cookbook. For this recipe, we are going to make my easy party pretzels, which are a huge hit for any party that you're going to, or if you're just feeling snackish at home. What you'll need for this recipe is your favorite bag of pretzels. What I have found best that works for this recipe is the unique pretzel shells, but you can use any bag that's your favorite. Next, what you'll need is a ranch packet, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of dill, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. If you want to spice it up, or if you have a favorite seasoning that you like to use, I will normally add some kind of red chili flake, or we have a Gator Sprinkle that we like to use, but anything, you can play with all of these seasonings as much as you want. Alright, so what we're going to do next is preheat the oven so that by the time we're done mixing the pretzels, they're ready to go in. We're going to set the oven to 350. We're going to get our favorite bag of pretzels. Next, you're going to do half a cup of olive oil. I eyeball it, but if you want to measure it out, that is totally up to you. The cup will pop out, don't worry about it. Next, you're going to add the ranch packet. The half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of dill, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of the lemon pepper. Like I said before, if you want to add some red chili flakes or some of your favorite dips, whatever you want to make this, it's super easy. Give these a quick toss. Alright, next you're going to get your baking sheet out. Since there's olive oil already on the pretzels, you don't really need to coat your pan with anything. So you're going to lay your pretzels all out on your baking sheet. Make sure to get all that goodness at the bottom of the bowl. Give these a quick toss in the baking sheet. They're already looking really good. So what we're going to do is make sure that the pretzels are spread out evenly on your baking pan. And we're going to pop these in the oven for 8 minutes. So I will see you guys in 8 minutes. Welcome back. It's been 8 minutes, so we're going to take the pretzels out and see how they turned out. What we're going to do now is let these cool for about 20 minutes. Then you can snack on them. You can dip them in hummus or whatever your favorite dip is. I do have a dip recipe that I will be putting out for you guys, so stay tuned. But in the meantime, let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe. I'm going to go ahead and document this for my cookbook.